Hi everybody! On this video, we approach creation of test sequences used on TestStand. We demonstrate a simple example of TestStand sequence, create with Labview operation. Here, we see one example of sequence used Labview operation. Launch this sequence. Now, we create same sequence with MaTeLo. We use same operation with type like action and measurement. Now, we see MaTeLo Model to create TestStand platform, and use Labview operation. We consider our project was already created. To create TestStand platform, click right on Test Platform Library. Select TestStand Platform. Now, we need to give a path of template file, contain all operation of TestStand. Click on Template File Path. Click on three-dot button, to open Explorer. Select template.sec that we give you on MaTeLo install. Open it. Now, we create operation for our test platform, to do link with Labview operation. Collapse TestStand platform. Click on Setting Function Library, to create action. Click on Labview icon to add new operation. Click on Operation, to see properties and configure it. Click on TestStand operation, to see properties that we need. Click on Properties tab. Copy name. We give this name on our operation. Paste name on name properties. Give also this name on function name property, it most important properties because, it's with this properties, that we link our MaTeLo operation, with Labview operation. Paste name on function name properties. Other properties very important, its VI path name. To fill it, click on three-dot button. Search and select our .vi file. Now, our operation was configured. We verify if use same .vi with TestStand. After creation of operation, we create parameter. Click on Module tab, to see parameter of Labview operation. Now, you see all parameter that we need to create on MaTeLo operation. Come back on our MaTeLo operation. Click right, to add parameter. Select parameter item. Click on name, to fill it. Give name same like our operation on TestStand. Give type same like our operation on TestStand. To do that, click on Collapse button. It's optional, but we can give default value. Do same thing with all parameter. See one other example. We configure correctly our operation with parameter. Now, we can use and configure TestStand operation. We already associate our operation to create TestStand sequence. Double-click on Transition, and click on Test Platform tab. Collapse TestStand. We see Set Data operation, collapse this operation, to see parameter that we can add value. We find all parameter of operation. It's at this time that we can add a new value to parameter for our TestStand sequence. Go on Other Transition. Our model was ready, now we generate test suites and export TestStand sequence. Go on Generation View. Click on Generate button. Double-click on Test Suite 1, to see result. Collapse Test Suite and Step. Collapse Test Platform, to see operation. Collapse Operation, to see added value. Values that we see here, its use for our TestStand sequence. Now, to export this new test suite, we need to add it on project. Go on Test Suites tab. Click right on Test Suite, to add it. Select Add to Project. It's time to export our test suite. Click right. Select Export Test Suite to TestStand. Click on Finish button. Open our TestStand sequence exported. Open our TestStand sequence, click on Open File button. Search a file. Open TestStand_1.sec. We have sequence generated by MaTeLo, that we can launch. On this video, we present you possibility to calculate your data with your Simulink model.